Hey guys, and welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's almost the end of Veganuary, did you know? Well, we've got another great recipe for you today. These are for peanut butter chippies. Chippies, peanut butter chocolate chip cookies.
Yum.
They sure are. Let's just look at the finished product over here. We have some that we made yesterday. These are so good.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness, don't look at that one. It got a little brown on the bottom. But these are really delicious. They're gluten-free, they're vegan.
I just got a whiff of them. Yum.
Waft.
Mm-hmm.
It's good stuff.
Yeah.
And you know what? There's only very little ingredients that go into these, and they're super easy to do. And they're kind of healthy. They're pretty healthy, I might say. So let's begin, as always, with some oatmeal.
Whoa.
Rolled Oats. Someone got a new
Someone got a new label maker. Wow.
And we're going to go over to the food processor because we're going to chop these up.
I just have to get a look at this overflowing chocolate first.
And I still have more to put in here.
Oh my goodness.
I've really been stocking up.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to put in 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats. And don't worry if you didn't get all of the measurements because they're going to be in the info box below. We're going to let these soak for just a few minutes in the liquid, and by liquid I mean unsweetened, non-dairy milk. Soak it up, baby. We don't want any hard pieces in there. So we'll give that just a second and then we will blend it. Alright, so this has been soaking for just a couple of minutes. We're going to pre-blend this before we add any other ingredients because I want to make sure that this gets pretty finely chopped up. We don't want to have any big pieces of oats because when you bite down on that, it's not going to be pleasant, you know?
I know.
And we want people to enjoy our food, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
We do. We do.
We don't.
Alright, so just a little bit. And then we're going to be adding in the rest of our ingredients. So I have 10 Medjool dates that I've just taken the pits out of. If your dates aren't soft and squishy like these are, then you could definitely soak them in a little bit of hot water first and then drain it and put it in. But these are just so fresh and squishy. These are amazing. I don't know how I got so lucky to get these because my dates are usually hard and these are just like little pillows of deliciousness. Lucky me. We're also going to add in some peanut butter. This is going to be the fat of the recipe that's going to give it that delicious mouth taste feel. Okay, so I'm not measuring this, but yet I am measuring it with my eyes.
What's your guesstimate?
That's about 1/4 cup. And whoop. That's about 1/4 cup. So 1/2 cup total if you could do your math.
Alright.
Thank a teacher if you could figure that out. How many times have I seen those bumper stickers? Thank a teacher if you could figure that one out. Alright, we're also going to add in some baking powder. These aren't going to spread and lift all that much, but they are a little bit. So we want to put our little baking powder in there. Label maker.
I'm really happy for you.
Thank you. I didn't get to this one. Maybe I won't because it's brown flour.
Wow.
Brown rice flour. It's Apple endorsed.
Yeah, not really.
Not sponsored.
Please don't sue us.
Yeah. Hey, they give you the stickers. They got to expect that you're going to use them. So this is brown rice flour, and I really got into it lately around when we were doing our Christmas baking because I find the brown rice flour gives such a nice crispiness to the finished baked product that it reminds me of non-gluten-free cookies. So that's the goal here, right? We don't want to eat squishy turds. We want the nice crispy ones. The crispy turds.
Right.
So let's mix this up. What we're going for here is ball. So you see it's kind of already pulling away from the sides. Just If it's not cleaning the bowl completely, you might want to add just another tablespoon of the brown rice flour. Because, you know, sometimes the peanut butter measuring is not exact.
What?
So you have to adjust it a little bit. But this one looks pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, that's actually pretty good.
Wow.
Look at that. Cookie dough, baby.
Oh, it smells so peanut buttery.
Oh, love it. All right, so let's take this over to the table. So yesterday when I made these, I mixed in the chips, but these are such large, imposing chips that I felt like I didn't get a nice equitable distribution. It wasn't as pretty as it could have been. So today, I'm just gonna put these in by hand. So I guess this is about a 2 tablespoon scoop. So I'm just gonna, with every scoop, just shove a bunch of chips in here in a very precise alignment because I want to make sure.
Not too many in each cookie.
That's not that many.
All right.
I want a nice equitable distribution of cookies, and this is going to be on the bottom. So we're going to smush it down just a little bit.
What quantity of chips would you say somebody should put in if they're just mixing it into their dough?
If you're just mixing this in, I would go with half a cup.
Okay.
But we're doing it special. These are hand-placed chips. So, yeah, this is going to take a little bit. And I'm sure you don't want to watch me put a million chips into these cookies. So,
I guess we'll check back then.
that's a great idea. All right. That made 15 generously sized cookies and a bonus Jonas. So these are going to go in at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Don't let it go more than 15 minutes because these can go south really quickly. So
keep an eye on it.
Keep an eye on it. 15 minutes. There's a problem in the other room. But take them out, let them cool in the pan before you move them because they're going to be quite soft. But once they're cool,
It's on.
See you in 15. All right, Maddie's running in here to try these. We got our bonus Jonas. You got to eat the bonus Jonas.
I want to. It looks really good.
Now the thing about these I found.
It's still nice and soft.
Yeah. They're good warm, but the next day they are really
So good.
exponentially better.
Yeah, you get even more flavor.
Yes.
After it's all cooled and everything.
But they're pretty good warm too.
Peanut buttery delicious.
Peanut butter chippies.
Before I finish the rest of this, I want to say I really enjoy how you cut the oatmeal flour with the brown rice flour. Because as much as I love oatmeal cookies, and I do,
Yeah.
sometimes I want not an oatmeal cookie. And
Yeah.
this doesn't read.
That doesn't taste
As
like an oatmeal cookie at all.
Yeah,
but you're
so-
getting all of the benefits of the oatmeal cookie in there, you know.
So good.
You wouldn't think it was you would think it was a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. Yeah.
So, thank you all so much for watching. Let us know if you give these a try, and I think you should.
Yeah, you definitely should.
Yep. And we'll see you next time. So until then, much love.